of all, I welcome all the participants who are watching this video. As you remember, in the last video we have completed the methods of writing a sets, that is listing method and rule method. Then here is some overlook of a set is a well-defined collection of objects is called as set. This is already done in the previous video. Then collection of sets, it is well defined or not well defined. Then rules of set, that means properties of set, that is sets are denoted by capital letters, or then elements of the sets are denoted by small alphabets. Then if R is the element of set P, then R is written as R belongs to set P. That means in the set P there is an element is an R. Then symbol, this symbol stands for belong to. These all are discussed in the previous video. Then two methods of writing a set, that is listing method or roster method. Then second method, it is a rule method or set builder form. Then this is the introduction about the listing method. These are the examples of listing methods which we have already done in the previous video. Then this is the second method, that is the rule method or set builder form. This is also we have discussed in the last video. Then these are the examples of rule method. Then now today in this video we are going to discuss about some problems based on the roster form. Then write the following sets in roster form, that means listing method. Then set of even numbers. Then answer A is equal to, then even numbers start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to infinity. Therefore we can put here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and dot 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 up to infinity. Then second example, it is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 10. Then we already know that there is only one even prime number from 0 to infinity, that is only 2. 2 is only one element which is the even prime number. Then third example, that is set of negative integers. Then negative integers starts from -1, -2, -3, -4 up to -infinity. Then fourth, set of vowels in English alphabet. Then it is the roster form of this set, that is set of vowels in English alphabet, that is D is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Then this is the roster form of this set. Then fifth example, that is set of color in the rainbow. Then E is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors which are shown by the rainbow. Then write the sets by listing method as well as rule method. Then in these examples we have to write both the methods. We have to write the set in both the form, that is listing method and rule method. Then first example, it is A is a set of even natural numbers less than 10. Then according to listing method, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Here is a less than 10, that means 10 does not include in this set. यहाँ पे जो 10 है वो 10 इस A set में नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि it is less than 10. Therefore we can't take in the set A 10 because the question is natural numbers less than 10. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. Then according to rule method, A is equal to A is a set of all x such that x is equal to 2n. That means 2n, and n belongs to natural number and n is less than 10. Then x is equal to 2n. That means here we have to put n is equal to 1. Then 2 into 1, that is 2. Then 2 into 2, it is 4. Then 2 into 3, it is 6. And 2 into 4, it is 8. And n is less than 10. It is less than 10. Then this is the rule method. Then another example, that is B is a set of letters of the word science. B is a set of letters of the word science. Then from the listing method we have to put here b is equal to in the set, that is s comma c comma I comma e comma n. Here in this word, here c and here is c, it is repeated, and here e and e, it is repeated. As we have already discussed in the last video, that is listing method does not include the double word. that means अगर साइंस वर्ड में यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार ही एक लेटर लेना है, तो अगर यहाँ पे डबल सी आया है और डबल ई आया है तो हमें लिस्टिंग मेथड में सिर्फ वो एक बार ही लेना है. That's why we can put here s comma c comma I comma e comma n. Here e is right at only once and c is also only once, because there is no repetition of number in the listing method. But rule method, then according to rule method, b is a set of all x such that x is a letter of the word science. This is the rule method. Then write the following sets using listing method. Then here is the only listing method, then we have to write only listing method, not a. Then first example, it is all month in the year, then answer. Then a is equal to in the set January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is already known. We know that this is the all months in the year, and this is the representation of all months in the year by the listing method. Then second, letters of the word complement. Then a is equal to here c comma o comma m comma p comma l comma e comma n comma t. Here e is repeated there, then repeated elements are does not belongs to set. Therefore listing method cannot accept the repeated factor or repeated element in the set. Therefore we can take e here only at once. Then third example, that is set of human sensory organs. We know that p is equal to nose comma ears comma eyes comma tongue comma skin. Here these are the 5 sensory organs, human sensory organs. This is the listing method of representation of sets. Then fourth example, that is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Then set of prime numbers. In Marathi, prime numbers are known as मूळ संख्या. Then q is equal to prime numbers means the numbers which can only divisible by itself and 1. That numbers are known as prime numbers. That means here 3 is divisible by only 3 and 1. Therefore we can say that here these all numbers are the prime numbers, because it's only divisible by itself and 1. That's why these all elements are known as prime numbers. Then q is equal to in the set of 2 3 5 7 9 11 13 17 19. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Then fifth example, the set of days in a week. Then the set of days in a week, that already we know that there are 7 days in a week. That is R is a set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And this is the listing method of the representation of the set. Then our next question is write the following sets using rule method. Then here this is the listing method, then we have to convert this listing method into the rule method. Then p is equal to 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 100. These are the perfect square number set. This 1 4 9 16 25 as like these are the perfect square number. This is the set of perfect square number. Then answer by using the rule method. Then p is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square, and n is belongs to natural number and n n is less than or equal to 10. That means 10 is included in the set. In the last example, that is the only less than 10, therefore we cannot include 10 in the set, but here is a less than or equal to, that means 10 is also included in the set. That's why here we put here n is equal to 1, then 1 square it is 1. Here if we put n is equal to 2, then 2 square, which is 4, is here in the set. As like n is equal to 10, if you put x is equal to x is equal to 10, then 10 square it is 100, which is already in the set P. This is the rule method of the above set. Then question number 2, that is q is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. These are the numbers which are multiple in the 6. Here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and 42. These 7 numbers are the multiple of 6. Therefore we can put question number 2 is q is equal to set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Here set q, in the elements of a set q, here 6, all the elements are in multiple of 6. Therefore we can put in the rule method, that is q is equal to q is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6n and n belongs to natural number and n is less than 9. N is less than 9. If you put here 9, if you put here 8, then 6 into 8, it is 42. This is belonging to the set q. But here n is less than 9. Therefore we cannot take 9 in the 6 into 9, because here is a condition, that is n is less than 9. Then third example, it is r is equal to in the set of s, m, I, l, e. Then set close. Then answer, r is a set of all y such that y is a letter of the word smile. Here in the word smile there is no repetition of any number by the listing method. Then here we can also represent set is in terms of x, y, z, or maybe any other variable. It is not necessary to put only x. Then we can put x, y, z according to our opinion. Then next example, that is s is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then in the rule method, that is we put the answer, that is d is equal to, d is a set of all z such that z is a day of the week. Day of the week, we all know that the day of the week are the 7, that is Sunday to Saturday. Then here we can also represent set by the letter x, y or z, as like that. Then last example of this video, that is g is equal to a, t, e. Then by according to the rule method, we can put here, we can represent this set as like g is a set of all y such that y is a letter of the word eat, or we can say that moreover y is a letter of the word at, that is second form of the eat, that is ate. So yes friends, this is all about the examples based on the listing method and rule method. If you have any doubt, then you can post in the comment box. Otherwise, if you feel this is a value additional to your knowledge, then like our video for more such videos, subscribe to our channel, and yes, press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our future videos. Till then, thank you so much.